Hello everyone. Today we have Vartika Nagar ma'am, Principal Brain Seed School. Ma'am, it's a great honor to have you here in Principal Conclave 2025.
In fact, I am honored that I am here because as soon as I entered here, I saw a bunch of people, a bunch of highly educated people, and I'm sure this day will be a great memory for not only me but for all the educators who are attending this session today.
Ma'am, as far as the theme of our conclave goes, I would like to ask you that what do you think should be the policies should be implemented at school level such that we have the aim to Viksit Bharat and we can prepare future ready students as well as learners?
I think the schools nowadays are already accustomed with the new technologies which have come into picture now. I mean, all the schools are already providing technology-based classes. I mean, smart boards and everything is there. But still, I think we need to instill a lot of culture. We need to instill the thought of happiness when it comes to a child. I mean, the first education which we should give to a child is that the child should be happy at the very first place, and then the things are like everything will, rest of the things will follow in that case. And every child is different. Technology has been introduced, but it is not necessary that every child will be pro with that. So every child has its own needs. So every child should be catered separately, and they should be given opportunities in whatever matters they come across.
Ma'am, what do you think how the higher educational institutes should do so that our engineers, our graduates are more job ready as compared to now what the situation is?
I think if I talk about higher education, now I feel that skill education is very important, which has been introduced by CBSE also. So if we focus not only on the mainstream education, we should focus on other skill-based educations also for the students who are passing out their senior secondary levels. Like if the student is interested in carpentry or maybe pottery or other skill-based things, the child should be promoted for that and he should be given opportunities. And there should be good colleges like this college. I got to know they're offering so many courses in so many diverse fields. I think it is a very big opportunity for all of our students now.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for enlightening us with your vision. It's me, Sayeshoja, signing off.
Thank you.